The Fox and the Beehive. One bright morning, Mr. Fox wakes up with a grumbling stomach. "Oh no! No breakfast," he says. He looks around but finds nothing to eat. "I must find something delicious." He trots into the forest and soon spots a beehive hanging from a tree. Honey," he whispers. He licks his lips and reaches out with his paw. Just as he touches the hive, zzz, a tiny bee flies out. "Hey, Fox, go away," says the bee. "This is not your honey." Mr. Fox smirks. "I am bigger than you. I am faster than you. I can take what I want. Now, buzz off." Ignoring the bee's warning, Mr. Fox sticks his paw into the beehive again. Zzz! Zing! Yuck! The bee stings him right on his nose. "Ooh, my nose! That hurts!" yelps Mr. Fox, rubbing his snout. Furious, he picks up a stick. "You will regret that, little bee." He swings and swings, but the bee is too quick. "I will get you!" he shouts. The bee zips back inside the hive. "Ha! Now you're trapped!" yells Mr. Fox. He swings his stick at the beehive. Smash! Smash! Crack! The hive breaks apart. Suddenly, a deep buzzing sound fills the air. Zzz! Zzz! Thousands of bees come swarming out. They surround Mr. Fox, buzzing angrily. Zizz! Zing! A bee stings him on his ear. Another on his paw. More on his legs. "Ouch! Ouch! Ouch!" Mr. Fox yelps as he dashes through the forest. The bees chase him all the way home. Bam! He slams the door shut, panting. Then he hears a voice behind him. It's Granny Fox. "You did it again, didn't you?" She sighs. "You lost your temper." Mr. Fox groans, counting his stings. Granny Fox shakes her head and hands him some healing herbs. Also, there were berries in the kitchen, right next to the bread. Moral: losing your temper can lead to bigger problems